Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubbles out of tint. First, gather your essential tools: a heat gun, a squeegee, and a sharp utility knife. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the tinted surface to ensure no dirt or debris interferes with the process. Next, carefully inspect the bubbles. Small water bubbles, often appearing within the first few days, usually evaporate on their own. However, larger, persistent air bubbles require immediate attention and a more direct method for removal. For those smaller, less stubborn water bubbles, patience is truly a virtue. Many of these tiny imperfections will naturally evaporate and disappear within 2 to 3 weeks after installation. If you wish to expedite the process, gently use your squeegee, applying light, even pressure. Carefully push the water bubbles towards the nearest edge of the film. Remember, avoid excessive force to prevent any creases or damage to your newly applied window tint. Larger, more persistent air bubbles demand a precise approach. First, take your sharp utility knife and make a tiny, almost invisible incision at one edge of the bubble. Next, gently apply heat to the area using your heat gun on a low setting. This softens the tint film, making it more pliable. Immediately after heating, use your squeegee to carefully push the trapped air out through the small incision you made. Work slowly and methodically for best results. Once you've successfully removed the bubbles, it's important to re-squeegee the entire tinted surface. This ensures optimal adhesion and a smooth finish. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect the film for any missed spots or lifted edges. Remember, proper installation is the best defense against future bubbles. Allow the tint to cure completely, which typically takes about 3 to 5 days, before rolling down your windows. Enjoy your perfectly tinted windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.